Hello, this is Danny at the DEG. I want to thank you for joining me for today's estimate tip. I want to show you an example of a not included operation on an SUV or any vehicle that has an optional accessory such as like a third row seat. Again, all the information providers, Mitchell and CCC, will develop their labor times based on the base model vehicle. And a base model vehicle is defined in the collision guide to estimating a vehicle with the minimum level of equipment available from the manufacturer right over here. And in this case, we have an example of a 2016 Kia Sorento, and that vehicle is available with or without a third row seat option. Now, in this example of replacing a quarter panel, while the P pages indicate that the rear seat right over here is included, again, the base model vehicle has a first row seat and the second row seat, and the rear seat is automatically going to be included with the quarter panel replacement. Because the vehicle is equipped with an optional third row seat, when we go to replace a quarter panel, right over here, and we'll use the left side as an example, when you calculate it, it's going to replace the quarter panel, and then it's going to give you some additional add-ons such as the side curtain airbag and the sensors. Now, if you go to the additional add to R&R quarter panel, you will see if you scroll down, there's an additional item to select with third row seat left and right. So if you have to R&I the rear third row seat, you can add that onto the estimate as an additional labor, which will get calculated right up here. So again, it's really important to utilize this add to R&R quarter panel section or add to R&R section in any of the chapters to see if there's any options or accessories that may need to be factored in addition to the replacement time of the component being replaced. Well, I hope this gives you an additional explanation of the add to R&R section in the Mitchell Guide to Estimating, as well as how to add on the additional labor operations if needed. If you have any questions, reach out at www.degweb.org. You can submit an inquiry or you can email me directly. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.